Feeling fresher for us today. Temperatures on the shy side given the time of year. A lot of cloud cover, brighter skies for the luckier ones, but outbreaks of rain moving into some locations. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. An awful lot of cloud, but I'm optimistic of brighter and sunnier spells here and there. And then a different story across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here, outbreaks of rain in the next few hours. Solid, substantial rain for a time. Dribs and drabs of rain also moving through the far north of England. It's looking very soggy, and with the breeze, temperatures on the low side for early June. Otherwise, highs of 20 or 21 degrees in any extended brighter sky, and very much a split setup as we end the day. Across the north, staying very wet with outbreaks of rain, a little drier further south. And then through the night, the rain pulls away to the east into the near North Sea. It stays a little dull and damp across the west come dawn. A good deal of misty low cloud, that cloud extending into the east. Brighter skies further north, a better start to the day here. And for all of us, a little breezy. Good evening to you. Outbreaks of rain easing in the next few hours. A drier picture for all of us tomorrow. Better, brighter conditions. Sunshine set to return and warming up as the week wears on with increasingly muggy and humid air. Outbreaks of rain for a time overnight, gradually pulling away into the near North Sea, staying a little soggy across western locations come dawn. And here's some misty low cloud. A lot of grey sky initially. Elsewhere, brighter skies into the new day, very much a split setup with the best of the morning sunshine across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland. And here, as the cloud melts away, a really lovely day ahead. Elsewhere, a bit of a slower start, but gradually the cloud nibbled away, cheering up quite nicely. And in the afternoon sunshine, out of the breeze, highs of 22 or 23 degrees, always a little breezier around those North Sea coastal counties. And then a very different theme come Wednesday, a switch in the wind direction, more warm sunshine and temperatures set to climb, the sign of things to come as the week wears on. A very good evening to you. Outbreaks of rain easing in the next few hours. A drier picture for all of us tomorrow with better, brighter skies. Some lovely sunshine set to return and warming up as the week wears on. Temperatures set to bounce up a few degrees with increasingly humid and thundery air. Tonight's rain making some headway eastwards into southern Scandinavia tomorrow, so a dry respite for all of us. And after a cooler night, temperatures start to recover quite quickly into Wednesday with a switch in the wind direction. We'll draw in warmth, heat and increasingly humid air from the near continent from Wednesday onwards. These intense downpours rolling their way from south to north will turn out to be intense and thundery from time to time, and those temperatures likely to peak on Friday into Saturday. A split set up to end the day with rain across northern counties, a little drier further south. The rain making some headway southwards and eastwards overnight. Staying a little soggy across the southwest and Wales come dawn. Here, dribs and drabs of patchy rain and drizzle with the moisture in the air, misty low cloud. The cloud extending across many central and southern counties, despite the breeze staying relatively mild. Temperatures not slipping much below 14 or 15 degrees. And then a different start to the day across northern Britain and Northern Ireland. Here, better and brighter, if a touch fresher. So again, a split setup on Tuesday morning with the early cloud across the south, some showery pulses of rain here and there before things gradually improve. Elsewhere, brighter skies, and as the cloud is nibbled away further south, here too cheering up quite nicely, but it will be a bit of a slow process. Temperatures doing a little better than today, the sign of things to come away from the breeze, highs of 22 or 23 degrees. Turning drier as we slide into a new day. Clearer skies set to return, some lovely sunshine for many of us once more, and warming up as the week continues. Temperatures likely to bounce up a fair few degrees with increasingly muggy, humid and thundery air. As we move into the first stages of Tuesday morning, a lot of cloud across central southern locations, misty low cloud across the west with outbreaks of patchy rain and drizzle, a little soggy here, dull and damp with a bit of a breeze. Brighter skies for Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland, away from those showers for the far north of Scotland. And very much a split setup into the new day with the brighter skies across the north and a little more cloud further south. And any cloud across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland will tend to melt away. A little more sunshine developing as the day wears on. Further south, the process taking a little longer after a bit of a slow grey start. Cheering up quite nicely as the cloud has nibbled away. Highs of 22 or 23 degrees out of the breeze. The breeze always a little more notable across the North Sea coastal counties. A very different theme into Wednesday with a switch in the wind direction, much more in the way of June's sunshine and temperatures set to climb as we draw in increasingly warm and humid air from Europe. Highs of 26 or 27 degrees through the afternoon, the sign of things to come.